Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming prerequisites. Android Studio with SDK 29 Plus, virtualization enabled in BIOS, and the Google Play Games SDK installed. Open Android Studio and accept any SDK updates now. These ensure the emulator runs smoothly. Next, sign into the Google Play console so your project is available for testing. Once done, verify your app is uploaded as an internal test or draft. This lets the emulator access Play Game services. Make sure system images and Google API's packages are installed. Now configure the Android virtual device tailored for Google Play Games. In AVD Manager, create a new device using a Google API system image. Prefer x86 or x86-64 for performance, and match the API level to your app. Enable the Play Store option so the emulator can sign into a Google account and access Play Games services. Allocate at least 2 GB RAM and enable hardware acceleration. Once the AVD is created, open extended controls to configure location, network throttling, and confirm Play Games account linking before launching. Launch the AVD and sign into the Play Store using your test account. This authenticates Google Play Games. Install your APK either with a DB install or by dragging the APK into the emulator window, then open the game and initiate sign-in to Play Games. Look for successful authentication, leaderboards, and achievements. If something fails, check virtualization is enabled. Confirm Android SDK paths in Android Studio. Inspect Logcat for auth or API errors, and clear the Play Store cache on the emulator. That often resolves token or sync issues.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.